Hello friends, welcome to my channel Life Sciences. Today we will briefly discuss about sterilization by autoclave. If you like the video then please subscribe my channel and share it. So before going to autoclave, everybody know about sterilization. Sterilization is a process by which remove all contaminants from surfaces. Now we will see autoclave. What is an autoclave? An autoclave is a device used to sterilize equipments and supplies by subjecting them to high pressure saturated steam at 121 degrees Celsius for around 15 to 20 minutes depending on the size of the load and the contents. It was invented by Charles Chamberlain in 1879, although a precursor known as the steam digester was created by Denis Papin in 1679. So first, in 1679, Denis Papin invented a steam digester. Later, in 1879, Charles Chamberlain invented autoclave. We cannot increase temperature of water above 100 degrees Celsius in open vessel, but in autoclave we increase temperature with the help of high pressure, that is 15 pounds per square inch, and temperature of water is 121 degrees Celsius. At this temperature and pressure, we sterilize equipments for 15 to 20 minutes. It is a simple flowchart of methods of sterilization. Sterilization can be done by physical, chemical and physiochemical methods. In physical methods, we use sunlight, heat, vibration, radiation and filtrations. Heat can be of two types: dry heat and moist heat. In dry heat, red heat, flaming, incineration, hot air oven, infrared, all these comes under dry heat. And in moist heat, below 100 degrees Celsius, at 100 degrees Celsius and above 100 degrees Celsius, all these methods comes under moist heat. Next is radiations. In radiations, non-ionizing, ionizing, and in ionizings, electromagnetic and particulates comes under radiations. Next is filtrations. Earthenwares, asbestos, sinter, glass, membrane, all this comes under filtrations. Next is chemical methods. Chemical sterilization can be done by liquid and gases. In liquid, alcohol, aldehyde, phenolics, halogens, heavy metals, surface active agents, dyes are used as a liquid sterilization. In gases, formaldehyde, ethylene oxide and plasma are used. Now we will focus to physical method of sterilization. As we already know, in autoclave the temperature of water is above 100 degrees Celsius. So autoclave is a physical method of moist heat sterilization process. Let's see what is the use of autoclave. The autoclave is an equipment used to remove microorganisms like viruses, bacteria, fungus, etc. and spores using high pressure and high temperature steam sterilization. Now, we simply define an autoclave is a pasteurized device designed to heat aqueous solutions above their boiling point at a normal atmospheric pressure to achieve sterilization. Auto means self, clavis means self-locking device. Let's see the principle. Boiling point of water is directly proportional to pressure when the volume is a constant. Pressure is directly proportional to temperature. When pressure is increased in a closed vessel, the temperature increases proportionally. That is, for about 15 pounds per square inch, the temperature rises to 121 degrees Celsius. This pressure and temperature is kept constant for 20 minutes during autoclaving. It is sufficient to kill all the vegetative forms and spores of the organisms. Let's see the physical structure of autoclave. Autoclave is a modified pressure cooker or boiler. It consists of vertical or horizontal cylinder of gunmetal or stainless steel in supporting iron case. And this cylinder is covered by lid. The lid is fastened by screw clamps and rendered airtight by an asbestos washer. The lid having discharge tap for air and steam. a pressure gauge, and safety valves are there. In autoclave, heating is generally done by electricity and the steam circulates within the jacket and is supplied under high pressure to the inner chamber where materials are kept for sterilization. Here we can see first steam is supplied to the jacket, then steam comes into a chamber. There is aqueous culture medium or equipments. It can be sterilized by high temperature and pressure for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, steam exhaust pipe to drain. Now we will see uses of autoclave. Autoclave sterilize culture media, rubber materials, gowns, dressing, gloves, etc. It is particularly useful for materials which cannot be withstand the higher temperature of a hot air oven. For all glass syringes, hot air oven is a better sterilization method. Thank you.